In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at the project that we'll be developing in this course. We'll be creating a job search website, and there will be two entities involved in this. First one being the company, which will be able to post jobs, and the other one will be candidates who will be able to search jobs and they will be able to apply for those jobs. We'll also be keeping a track of candidate's profile, and then obviously we'll have the logout option. We'll also have one more feature called applied jobs, which when clicked will show all the jobs that the candidate has already applied to. So this is what we'll be developing in this application using Azure Serverless functions, Cosmos DB, and Azure Blob Storage.